Hey guys, what's up? It's Evan and Ash. We have a great video which could make you some cash.
Sit down and relax and we'll grant you a wish. 10 tips for teens and kids here on Pam Jam Fish.
Tip 1 is so simple to collect your pay. Help with dishes for $3 a day.
Tip 2 is for teens with a sister or brother. You could babysit on weekends and help your mother.
Tip 3 may stink, but it can make you some cash. $1 each time you take out the trash.
Tip 4 may require you to find a broom. Ask your parents for some scratch if you clean up your room.
Tip 5 will have people thinking you're a lifesaver. Spread the word on the street that you'll help your neighbors.
Tip 6 is for those with a Minecraft imagination. Go onto the marketplace and sell your creations.
Tip 7, go online if mom and dad lets me. Create an account to sell items on Etsy.
Tip 8 is for students who own a computer. Tell all your friends you're an online tutor.
Tip 9 is a way you could get that pay. Dinner like spaghetti for your family.
Tip 10, sell on Facebook, TikTok, or eBay. Toys, clothes, shoes, or books. Start earning today.